Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today so I went to the Korean store yesterday, and like I always watch videos and they're always eating like these instant tteokbokki and like spicy noodles or whatever, so I saw them there. They are actually vegan friendly. I know usually there's like anchovy or something, especially in like a tteokbokki if you go out and get it, but this one does not have any. Alright, so this is what it looks like in there. It's the little mini ones. And then these fire noodles. Oh. Just gonna get these all mixed together. Yum, oh my god. Alright, and then on the side I have the yellow pickled radish, some kimchi from Sprouts, that's vegan of course, and just some tofu. Mmm. So I started to microwave it. That was too hard. For like 2.5 to 3 minutes. So I started microwaving it. Almond milk. But I noticed the water kind of boiled over, and I didn't even put that much water. And it might have been a little bit too long. That one's good. If you do it too long, the rice cakes get hard and it's nasty. So I did get my lashes done almost 2 weeks ago, and I got my nails done finally. But this nail place I went to, I will not be going back. And the reason why I didn't go to my regular nail salon so this is it's Samyang, which is all the same as the fire noodles. These noodles are thinner. They taste different. So I tried to make an appointment with my regular nail place. My girl wasn't working, but I said I'd go there anyway and see a different person. So I showed up. And they said she went home sick. I was like, okay, well, is anybody else here that can do my nails? And they were like, no, because they were like, you know, they don't have full staff on right now. And they were booked. So I was like, okay, let me reschedule for 2 days from now. And I was like, please call me if she's not available yet. You know, she's sick or whatever still. So the next day they contacted me and said she's still out and somebody else could do my nails at 10 a.m. Okay? So the salon opens at 9:30, but I got there at 9:50. I saw some workers sitting out on the curb. The open sign was on, but the doors were locked still. I waited until 10:30, 50 minutes. And then at 10:30 they text me and go, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I lost the keys to the salon. I'll be there in half an hour. I was like, what? You couldn't have contacted me 30 minutes ago? And on top of that, my first appointment, you couldn't have let me know that my tech had gone home instead of me driving out there for nothing then. You know, obviously my name was in the books on you for appointment. So I did not wait around, and I still waited. To find another place. This is really good, but it's very spicy. So anyway, I went to another place that has really good reviews. It's right by my house. And I don't like the job she did. Rice cake is too hard. Oh, it is spicy, y'all. Anyway, it was way more expensive and she did a crappy job. This is so spicy. This is why I don't buy this anymore, because it's so spicy. It's like hard to eat. The flavor is really good though. Ooh. Like seriously, my tongue is like on fire. Jesus Christ. So, have you guys gone back to work yet? I have. So honestly, like, all these always say hot chicken flavor or whatever. When you look at the ingredients and it says like artificial chicken flavor, like seasoning, I don't know what. But I honestly don't know why they even say hot chicken flavor, because it doesn't taste like chicken or anything. This is hard to eat, y'all. I'm so whack. This is so spicy. And some people eat like 5 packs of these in a video. Oh, I don't know. This kimchi is not that spicy. The other day, I picked up mother-in-law's kimchi from Whole Foods. That kimchi is really good. And spicy. My tongue is like on fire. Last bite of noodle. Oh my god. It feels like knives are stabbing my tongue. The radish and the tofu help cool it off a little. Ugh. But then as soon as I put another rice cake in my mouth, this is stabbing it. All right. Last 3. Oh God. I feel like this spice just kind of hits different, okay? Oh, jeez. Alright, but anyway, yeah, so I went back to work. This is like, this will be the 3rd week I've gone back to work or whatever. I miss staying at home. Okay, let me just tell you that. But it's good that I still have a job to go to because so many people got laid off here. Oh, goddamn. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody is doing well. I didn't post like last week, so I'm still gonna try to post or whatever, but you know, I start working and I get real lazy, okay? So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!